This video goes over formatting and uploading instructions for your revised literature review. The initial deadline for the revision is Saturday, April 11th at 6 p.m. and the revision will not be accepted after 9 a.m. on Tuesday, April 14th. Resources for formatting and uploading your work are on AsULearn in Module 14, Week 12. Resource Formatting for Literature Review takes you to my example paper. Your work needs an APA formatted title page. APA titles usually have two parts, separated by a colon. The first part is creative, even playful, while the second part gets down to business and reflects what your paper is all about. Include page numbers and repeat your title on your second page. I am asking for a brief introduction and, more importantly, a thesis statement. This request makes sense now that our literature review is a standalone paper. You may be able to use your subheadings to help you write your thesis statement. At the end of your paper, leave in the subheadings that we were unable to get to because of the coronavirus. And of course, make sure all of this is followed by a reference page in ABC order. When you are ready to submit, click on the Revised Literature Review assignment. You are able to submit the file type of your preference. Keep in mind the expectations of our labor-based grading contract. Do not submit incomplete work. A second submission can be added. This is for students who attended a consultation at the University Writing Center. Include a screenshot of the University Writing Center report that provides a record of your labor. Many ways to get in contact with me, and I hope that you will reach out if you need help. Maybe you also can help each other. Finally, don't forget about the resources on our AsULearn page. In particular, the University Writing Center, the APA paper template, and Custer's Quick Reference Guide for citing in APA. I'm very proud of the work you all have invested in this project.